Hey, it's Brandi, and if you're like me, you lose something at least once a week in your car and you never see it again. I'm gonna show you how to organize your car once and for all, making it super efficient so you never lose something ever again. Things can get a little hectic, a little wild with 2 kids while you're driving, so these things are really important for keeping the driver happy and stress-free. Having a secure phone mount is super important. It's never okay to text and drive, but sometimes you need to answer a phone call, so this is really clutch for being able to talk to someone without taking your hands off the wheel. A good phone charger with multiple outlets is key to make sure everyone's electronics and phones can be properly charged. The last thing you want is to be on a road trip and your kiddo doesn't have their iPad charged. Having a file folder in your glove compartment is really important for housing your insurance and your car registration. Your glove compartment should really only house a couple items, so having this file folder is really important for keeping everything nice and organized. I have 2 honorable mentions. First is this tissue holder that I converted into a mask holder. This is key for when you leave the house and you have to have a mask, so having nice, clean masks organized, easily accessible is really important. My second honorable mention is this oil diffuser. This is fantastic because you can practice mindfulness and deep breathing no matter where you are, and it just clips onto your little air filter. You can add whatever essential oil you want. Now that we have the front seat figured out, let's head to the back seat. The back seat of my car really is the children's domain. They have taken over. I love this back seat organizer. It secures to the headrest of the front seats and it can house so many things from wipes, sunglasses, toys, snacks, antibacterial. The possibilities are endless and each kiddo has their own. Another great product is this back seat snack food tray. Now my kiddos rarely are allowed to eat in the back of the car, but if we are stopped and we have some time, it's nice for them to be able to enjoy a snack. I also like how this tray is perfect for coloring or playing with their toys. I think anyone can benefit from this next product because how many times have you found yourself stuffing trash into the side door or in between your seats? Well, this trash can is great because everyone in the car can reach it and it helps you know exactly where you can put your trash. These little headrest hooks are perfect for shopping bags and purses because you don't want to put your purse on the footwell. It could get spilled or stepped on. Also, if you're driving and you have it on your passenger seat, oftentimes the whole thing can go flying and all your stuff will go everywhere. Let's talk about the trunk. I have 2 trunk organizers. One is this pink CalPack organizer. It's great for bulkier items. I love how it has big compartments so I can put things like beach towels in there, diapers or wipes for my kiddos, extra sets of clothes for them. This other trunk organizer is a lot more multifaceted. It has different compartments and pockets and pouches, and this one is always in my car. I love it because it keeps everything nice and organized. One thing that never leaves my car is a roadside emergency kit. You can find these online and it really includes everything you need if you find yourself in a car accident or needing help on the side of the road. Everything from jumper cables to a flashlight and more. And another thing that I always have in my car are blessing bags. I make these with my kiddos and they just include a few helpful items like a pair of socks, water bottle, snacks, and soap for people in need. And the true saving grace for this whole car organization is a car vacuum. This is so key in cleaning as you go, and whether you have kiddos or not, I'm always finding goldfish or Cheerios or random things in my car, and it's easy to just zoom and get it up as I go. Having an organized car just feels like an extension of your home and makes me feel just put together when I'm out and about running errands or bringing my kiddos to school. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you feel inspired to organize your car. See you next time. Bye.